Hi guys, my name is Suma. I'm a law student. I'm uploading all videos related to law. You have any required related to law? You write in comment box. You have any doubt and also you have anything need. You write it in comment box. Okay. Today I talk about Transfer of Property Act 1882 under actionable claim. Basically, under Transfer of Property Act, 1 to 137 sections have. This is actionable claim is last chapter. Okay, we are dealing about actionable claim. Section 130 to 137 deals about actionable claim. Basically, what is actionable claim? Definition of actionable claim, Section 3 of the Act. It means claim for any unsecured debt but not mortgage of immobile property or hypothecation or pledge of movable property. A debt can be secured or unsecured, but actionable claim is concerned only with unsecured debt. Guys, keep in your mind. Basically, actionable claim means you can action against someone who are victim can file case against that person. You better understanding in this example. Focus here. A lends rupees 10,000 to B without security. You know what is security? Some agreement and something like any slip, any proof have, that is a security. No security means, for example, someone today I have emergency, please give some of amount. Okay, after no anything option, right? So I give to amount, that is unsecured amount. Understand that? So this is same. A lends rupees 10,000 to B without security. The debt given by A is an actionable claim, and in case of failure on the part of B to repay it, A can go to the court. Understand? Means failure to repay the B, after A can go to court. That is the concept. Andre means A have a actionable claim. Understand it? You keep in your mind actionable claim only applicable to unsecured debt. Okay, this is not coming under mortgage. That is the important point. Beneficial interest also coming under actionable claim. This is not a biggest important, but this is also when you are writing in exam, you can write it lot of answer, means point of point. You can get lot of number, means maximum number. Any beneficial interest in movable property, not in possession of the claimant. If a person has right to possess a movable property, but such property is not in his possession, then he has an actionable claim. Example, A sells car to B. B repay 10,000 to A for car. Now, B has beneficial interest in the car. But if B is unable to require the possession of the car, then he can approach court for actionable claim. Means, understand that. Here, A sells car to B. Okay, B paying 10,000 to A for car. Now B has a beneficial interest, means possession means beneficial interest. Only some stipulated time I required. So that's called beneficial interest, right? But if B is unable to acquire the possession, means A did not give to the car to B. Okay, after B can go to the court. Okay, B can approach the court. B have a actionable claim. Understand it? Last point, but it movable property is either in actual or constructive possession. Actual means is a real possession. Constructive possession means some creativity. Okay, this is possession under is coming. Okay, after claimant then cannot sue for actionable claim. For instance, in the above example, if A had given the car keys to B, then it's clear that B has constructive possession of car, and hence B cannot go to court to claim possession. That is not a biggest rocket science. This very simple thing existing. This debt or interest has already become due and is payable in the present. Okay, you read example, you better understand it. Okay, this is becoming very long video, so that's why I did not explain it. This very small thing, so that's why. Accruing, when debt is due in present but becomes payable on some future date, it is accruing debt. After contingent debt, if debt is payable on the fulfillment of some conditions, it is conditional debt. After contingent debt, if debt is payable on the fulfillment of an uncertain future event, it is contingent debt. You can better understand. Downside have example. You read it. You seriously. You can understand better. Guys, examples of actionable claim. Claim for the arrears of rent. Claim for the money due under insurance policy. Claim for the return of earnest money. Right to get back the purchase money when the sale is set aside. A share in partnership when partnership is dissolved. Muslim woman's claim for her unpaid dower. Right to get proceeds of business. These are, guys, examples of actionable claim. Okay, which are coming under actionable claim. You can better understand. You can read it. Okay. This is not necessary. You are example purpose. For example, you are required any brief introduction, right? In example, you are write it. It's a long 10 marks question. Ask that time. You can write it. These are okay. Guys, basically, actionable claim dealing with Transfer of Property Act, Section 3, only introduction. After you have any required, means briefly I learn it, I required exam purpose. After you can read it section 131 to 137. This video is very long, maybe becoming, so that's why I stop it. I referring these case laws. You can read it. This is better understanding. Okay. Next I tell you, next one video I preparing. Okay. These with sections. Section 131 to 137 I explain to another video. Okay, this maybe is a long. This video only introduction of actionable claim. You keep in your mind. Okay, these case laws you can read, is better understand it. State of Kerala and others versus Mini Samsudin 2019, and also Jugal Kishore Sharaf versus Rock Cotton Limited 1954. After Sunrise Associate versus Government of NCT of Delhi 1998. I writing only judgment. You can read it. This better understand. Okay. Thank you, guys. I thought is you are like my video. Please like my video and also subscribe my channel. You have any required, you have any doubt, you write in the comment box. And also thank you for watching, guys.